Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a quick evening clean with me. On this particular evening, I just had to get some stuff done after dinner, and I also still had my Valentine's Day decor up, so you're gonna see me taking that stuff down. It took me a while to get it down, and I thought about decorating for spring this year. I hadn't done it last year, but I decided not to do it this year. I don't have any spring decor. I do have a little bit of summer decor. I can probably take some of that stuff and just brighten up the house a little bit with some of it. But as far as like spring, Easter decor, I do not usually decorate for spring or Easter. And as much as I would have loved to do that this year, we are currently trying to pay off some debt, and we've been doing really good, and so part of that just means we have not been taking trips out of town. We haven't been going out to eat a lot, and I also haven't been spending a lot of money on home decor, things like that, so things that are really not necessary right now. So spring decor, like I said, I didn't have any from last year, so you will not see me decorating for spring this year. But now that I'm thinking about it, I'll probably go through my summer decorations that I had from decorating for summer last year, and maybe I can find some things that are kind of springy just to brighten up the house a little bit. So let me know in the comments down below if you decorate for Easter or decorate for spring in your home, and if not, what is your absolute favorite season to decorate for? Mine is definitely Christmas is my favorite season to decorate for. And last year I really enjoyed decorating for summer. It just brought a vibe to the house and freshened everything up. I really enjoyed decorating for summer last year. It will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. So you can see that I have taken all of the Valentine's Day little frames that I had here in the kitchen, and everything is just back to normal. And over on this side, I call this my chaos counter. This thing gets crazy all the time. It just collects everything. And I do not like this island with the double countertops. I cannot wait until we are able to remodel our kitchen and get that done just to one flat surface. I'm sure that's probably not going to keep us from cluttering it, but this counter just drives me crazy with how it gets.
Time I look at you, you pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
So I just bought the liquid version of my Barkeeper's Friend, and I feel like it really left my sink super shiny and clean, and I really like that.
Not sure I really care. where all of our demons, they ever disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe.
So usually when I wipe down my stainless steel appliances, I use my stainless steel cleaner, which leaves them really clean and shiny. I am not sure why on this particular evening I used my multi-purpose spray. No idea, but that's what I used to clean all of the surfaces, and that's fine, but usually I love to use my stainless steel spray to just get all the appliances really nice and shiny.
Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Then it was time to clear off the table and get rid of all of the Valentine's Day stuff. It was about time. I don't know if I was just being lazy or it's just being too busy, but I had not found the time or the energy to take everything down, so finally getting all of that stuff down. So I'm really excited because spring break is coming up soon and I get a week off with my kiddos, a week to just kind of like reset and refocus, because when we get to this time of the school year, I just get so busy with work and with my daughter's extracurricular activities, and my energy is just depleted. And so I am really looking forward to spring break. We don't have any big vacation plans this year. Normally we would probably do Disney, but like I said, we're working on finishing off some debt that we really just want to focus on getting done this year. But I'm interested to know if you guys have any big spring break plans, or if you are just going to stay and enjoy your kiddos at home. I know that I'm going to enjoy my kids and just really enjoy that time to reset and just try to get some self-care in, because I have not been doing well at that. Just the busyness has really kept me from focusing on taking care of myself, and it is really important as moms that we remember to self-care and do things for ourselves that are going to make us better for our family. So while this was a quick evening clean, I did decide to give the table a really good polish because it is part of my spring cleaning to do, and I just saw so many scuffs and marks that I really just wanted to get it done quickly on that evening. The last thing on my list on this evening was just to get the living room tidied up, and I did clean up the entertainment stand, the TV entertainment stand, and I removed all of the Valentine's Day decor from there. But when I went back to edit this video, my footage was really like shaky. I don't know why. Maybe one of the kids was moving the camera, so you won't see me doing that, but I did get that done. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation today. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're not yet subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless, guys.